Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Magwan. The question for today is from Jeline Gaza. She asks, what are your tips in scouting for the best mortgage bank? In terms of scouting for the best bank, this could mean different things to different people. But for me, the best means maximizing the power of leverage. This means looking for a bank that not only offers low interest rates, but also a higher maximum loanable percentage and a longer maximum loan term, which in turn enables me to invest more. Another thing to consider in case you sell your property in the future is if the bank allows refinancing to the buyer for a bigger loan amount than your remaining loan balance. So instead of looking for a buyer who has cash upfront to pay off your loan, you have the option to sell your property to buyers with a smaller cash outlay. This increases your pool of potential buyers. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.